Well, I'm excited to show you this one. This is a tabletop grill. And this could be used, you could roast marshmallows, you could warm your hands. Very simple to set up. Has little, on the bottom, has foldable legs. So you just want to unfold the legs. And then next, we're just going to put, this here is the ashtray. That will go in. And then the top. Now, you could use little twigs, or another option is wood pellets. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of paper in there. And then just add a few sticks here. Get this started. And oh man, these are great. I use this for ice fishing. Really good to keep your fingers warm. And what's great, even though it's a windy day, the design of this, I'm gonna probably add a couple pellets in there too. What I'll do is just keep adding just some small sticks to this. And then what I'm going to do, I'll get it really going and then we'll come back. Well, as you can see, we got a beautiful little fire going here. And as I mentioned, boy, it's great to warm your hands, and you could roast marshmallows. It also comes with this little device, and you know, I kind of use it just to move the little sticks around, but also you could use it just to remove the ashtray. But wow, look at that. That is amazing. And it's gonna settle down the flames. I'm just, once those little sticks kind of burn down, and then it will just really provide a smaller flame. A little bit windy here today, but wow. And I mean, it literally all takes a couple little sticks, or as I mentioned, the wood pellets is another route, but very nice little stove. And all I do is I just keep feeding small sticks, you know, anything such as this size, just perfect. And what's nice is, because this does not have an empty bottom, that enables it, you know, you could place it on a table. I have it here out in the wood lot on a stump, and as you can see, you know, there's nothing goes on the ground on the bottom. But boy, this is a real fun one. Yeah, wow. So again, easy to use, portable, and easy to light, folks.